Okay, in this video we're going to go over connecting your Alertlock to Wi-Fi. So the first thing you do is you open the linked app on your mobile device and you press the button for your lock and then the button on the lock to connect it over Bluetooth. Once it's connected, you will click the setup heading and click the button labeled Wi-Fi. Now it's scanning for networks within its range, and once it finishes scanning, we'll select the network that we want to connect to. We'll enter the password for it and press the connect button. And we now get a message prompting us that Wi-Fi is connected successfully. And so now we can disconnect.